Hello, this is the last of my trials with OBS Studio today, and it's a proof of concept which involves two scenes. One scene is me facing the camera, which is not set up that well, but it's me facing the camera talking into my mic, and then if I flick the switch here, then I've got the same camera image, well, I thought I did, the same camera image, which should work, and then I've got drawing to do, so forgive the static there, but what I thought would be useful is for doing recaps. So the way I've managed this is I've got an old banana box here, and I've got taped to the top of the banana box, and I've got another piece of cardboard across the top with a hole cut into it, and in that hole I've placed a webcam which goes through underneath, and the wire goes back to the back, and then down here I've got my piece of paper which I'm now scribbling on, and so with a bit of jiggery pokery I've managed to set that up. Hopefully I'll be able to work out how to get this video to work, but back there, that's my last video using OBS Studio and a bit of homemade cardboard and a banana box. Thank you.